Hi, it's Marieta. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I want to talk about the coronavirus impact on diversity visa lottery. Coming up. Alright guys, so in this video I'm actually answering one of your questions about diversity visa lottery and what is actually the impact of this coronavirus pandemic, especially on diversity visa lottery, people who actually applied last year, people who are waiting for the results, and when can you actually apply if you are selected. So first things first, number one, if you applied last year for diversity visa lottery, you have confirmation number, and you already know that because every time there is a diversity visa lottery going on, I always do video and I update you guys, so you already know that. So you should have confirmation number. Now, usually the period when you check if you were selected is in May, right? Right now we are in May 2020, and a couple of you actually asked me if I go to the website, which I'm going to link for you below, the official website where you can check if you were selected. Somehow I cannot get any results. It is because if you are submitting the confirmation number from last year, it's not processing, it's not going through because this is not time yet to actually check the result. You have to wait till June 6, 2020, and only then you can check if you were selected. And so in order for you to do that, again, you need a confirmation number and you need to go to that official website, which I'm going to post below this video, and you will be able to check if you were selected. So that's thing number one. Number two, if you find out that you were selected, here's the deal. Because right now, as you know, there is travel ban and immigration ban. Immigration ban means that everybody who is currently outside of the US, who doesn't have immigration status, in other words, green card already issued, cannot apply for a green card permanent residency unless they are one of the exceptions such as EB-5 or national interest waiver, right? And so if this is your case, because it is, diversity visa lottery is that case, you cannot really apply for immigrant visa. Diversity visa lottery is basically issuing immigrant visa to selected individuals. So if you are selected and there is still the immigration ban in place, you cannot start your processing of your immigration visa yet. So when you think about it, the immigration ban was issued on April 23rd, I believe, and it's valid for 60 days. It could be extended, we don't know yet. Right now it's valid for 60 days. So if you find out that you were selected on June 6th, you'll have to wait till this immigration ban is lifted, because even if you were selected, you cannot start the process you would normally start, right? And so that's that, guys. You have to be patient, you have to wait, and you have to follow the instructions. Number three, if you are, some of you are asking me, how can I apply for diversity visa lottery 2021? Guess what? The last year diversity visa lottery 2021 was called actually diversity visa lottery 2021, and so that visa lottery is closed. Okay, that closed last year in November 2019, and if they reopen another lottery, it's going to be October 2020, and this one is going to be called diversity visa lottery 2022. But this one is not open. We don't know if it's going to be open. We'll see how this goes. So this only is applicable to people who actually applied last year in 2019, either in October or first week of November, and you have the confirmation number, and the confirmation number is part of Diversity Lottery 2021. Only then you can actually check your confirmation number if you were selected on June 6, 2020. And the link, again, I'm sharing below this video. So I hope this is self-explanatory. I hope this is helpful, because there are many of you who are asking the same question. On the other note, I want to mention that there are people who are currently in the United States. You need to change your status because your current status is about to expire. I would highly suggest you do change your status. You are still responsible for changing of your status. and I don't recommend to stay out of the status. For those who need help, for those who need any kind of assistance, I do have actual online programs available which are discounted. Right now I'm offering 50% discount code, and this is for everybody who wants to change the status, who needs to apply for a change from B to student visa, somebody who needs to extend present status. So for example, you are in the US under B visa and you need to extend your status. This is applicable to people who need any kind of guidance regarding to how to start a company, how to even start a business. I did recently a video where I talk about this is a wonderful opportunity for people who are considering to starting a company in the United States. You can start a business, especially if you are familiar with the E2 visa requirements, you know what I'm talking about, and you can get going, because even if you are planning to apply for investor visa, even if you plan to start this company, it's going to take some time. It's not going to be a process within a month or two. So really, I would highly recommend to use this time wisely. This is a time of opportunity, I like to think. It's opportunity. It's a time of opportunity for people who think outside of the box. And it's a challenging time that is impacting all of us, including myself. I'm not exempt. And the only way how we can actually ride the wave of change is to step outside of the ordinary box of thinking and reinvent ourselves. And so even if you're somebody who, for example, is not selected in diversity visa lottery, who cares? I mean, don't take it literally, who cares? But look, there are ways to make things happen. And if your intention is to live in the United States, if your intention is to, live your American dream, you have to start within, and you have to understand that the US is built on immigrants who are adding value. And so think about that, before you actually start dreaming about US, don't take from the country, add value, right? And that's why I focus on investors and entrepreneurs, because these are people who usually add tremendous value. They're smart and creative, and those people deserve to live the American dream, the way I call it. So for those people who want to dig deeper, there is going to be a link below this video, webinar link, very useful one for entrepreneurs. And I'm also going to be sharing the links to that program that I mentioned, 50% discounted, how to change the status, etc. In fact, I'm going to share the link to the entire Immigration Visa Academy, where you can apply the code discount code, very important, guys. In order to get and claim the discount, 50% off, you have to apply the code is going to be below this video. So guys, I hope this is helpful. Let me know your comments below this video. If you are new, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day and stay safe.